in my jumper. I'm in my wetsuit. Let's get these feet. I don't want to swim the windforms. Hopefully not in this weather. Apparently I heard that if it's flat here, it could be really wavy out near the wind farms. Yes! Exciting.